Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, and you are looking at a 10 by 20 inch canvas, and I have not done a swipe for a very long time, and I have mad inclinations to swipe if I can get my paint to come out. And I kind of want to, I used to do it in zigzags. Yeah, whatever's in there, thank you. Whatever's in there isn't coming out easily. But I want to do something a little differently today, and I want something bright and cheerful. And we'll see what happens. I'm going to use some of my newer colors if they'll come out, which I think they will if I try hard. Okay, they're coming out everywhere. In a double stream. So, nice colors. I think some more of the same is in order. The brighter the colors, the brighter the end swipe. For sure. And usually I flatten these out with a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula, but right at the moment I am feeling like not doing that because it's a warm day and getting warmer and time is of the essence. And I just use that, and I want some of this. I want some of everything that won't come out of a bottle. Isn't that funny? And I suppose if I put enough swipe color down, can I have something really anomalous? Yes, I can have something really anomalous if I want. I've got a new color around here somewhere too, and I just snipped the top out, and it's in a it's in a different kind of bottle. Let's just do, shall we do a little? Shall we do whatever it'll let us do? I think I'm going to go for the new stuff. And what else? I've been enjoying that magenta, but I want something through the middle. What is it going to be? I think it's going to be this pink. I really want something on either side of it. I want some kind of black, but I'm thinking the turquoise might be a better idea. And this is, I am setting up this swipe in a much different way than usual, so who knows what we're going to get. Come out. Just one left. Come out. And there it goes. Alright, so the only other thing I'm thinking right now is that I have blue and or, yeah, no, I don't know. I'm looking for something. I'm not sure what it is. Maybe that's it. I think some gold. I think I might like to swipe with gold, actually. But, the gold is made with the mica powder, and it's very liquidous right now, so I don't know what's going to happen when I put this in here. I'm just going to try it because I can. And what color do I want to swipe with? I usually like to swipe with black. And I really want some blue. I found the blue I was looking for. I'm not sure it'll come out at all, but I'll give it a shot. Let's see what happens. That's a better color scheme for me. I like that. That's fine. Let's see. Do I want any more orange in there? If I go too far, I'm going to have like super excess paint. If I don't pick a bottle that opens, I'm not getting... Whoa. Okay, never mind. You can just imagine what happened. I'm not telling you. But my rag needs to go in the bucket soon. I'm going to just experiment with that right now. So here's my black swipe color. And I'm going to let that... Okay, that's my black swipe color. This is my wet t-shirt hem. And I'm going to let this go right over the edge on both sides. And I'm going to do the same thing across the bottom. Just going to touch it up with my finger because I don't want to do it later. How is that over there? That is out of void. Alright, so that's a pretty thick little puddle. Hopefully it'll be enough. Let's not take any chances. Let's give it a little more. I want some in the middle. You know what else I want in the middle? I want some white. And this time, I'm going to give myself permission for some white pearl. Yes, and it's open. Let's just do the whole thing. Really? Let's just make a mess. Do I have enough yellow in there? She's going for it. I'm going to get some strange colors. Alright, so here goes nothing. I'm going to fold over part of my t-shirt hem. I'm going to make sure it's saturated. I know most people use paper towels for this, but I like to use a cotton t-shirt. Hopefully it's wide enough. I'm dragging a thread behind me. Darn. And then I let it drip right over the end, and I got to bring my rag over to my edges so I can have a shot at covering. If I would bring my my painting to the edge of my tile, it would be easier for me. But as long as that paint is still on there, we're in good shape. I'm going to turn that around and check on it. I've got most of the stuff I need to be covered. That was my first side, so I have a lot of nice paint right here that I can actually cautiously somewhat touch up my edge with while everything is still nice and liquid. Alright, so what am I going to do with that? That's pretty cool. I got a lot of that blue. I wasn't really expecting that. I always wanted to double swipe some things and drag some stuff through. Let's use my new stainless steel straw. And as pretty as those colors are, I got another plan in mind. Which I've been thinking about quite a bit lately. And I think it's going to start with giving myself some more waggling. While the paint is still wet. Because the paint will often heal itself. And then, do I have a torch out here? Wow, I don't see it. It must be inside. No kidding. That might be like the second time that's happened to me in 2 years. I left my torch inside. Well, what I really wanted to do was to let everything run a little today and see what happens. And I see that large chunk of whatever does not belong. You know what I could do? I could do a first. Ha! I could use an edge catcher and see what happens. It might not be a good thing, but it might be okay. I'm going to just let all of that go right back in and fall right down. I'm going to rock the edge. And I really just want to go find my my torch in a second. But I want to be letting this stuff rest where it wants to go in the meantime. That's kind of cool. I'll be right back in about 4 seconds. was interesting. I have hidden my torch on myself. There it is. I see it. Clever me. And I kind of like those running over the end. I also think that if I wanted to, I could take my Princeton Artsil Catalyst spatula and scrape off some of the paint. We torch to release the bubbles in the paint. We also torch to release patterns because there's Decor pouring medium Floetrol half and half mixed into my conventional paint that also has GAC 800 to keep it from cracking. Do I have some paint over here? Wow, that was, yeah, I got a little. And I'm just going to take that and put it right here because I can. The name of my book on the Amazon link. And I like that better. That has a little more balance for me. I'm going to do the same thing very cautiously before that paint has a chance to dry. And put it over on this edge too. And that is pretty cool. I'm not unhappy with that in the least. That's neat. And I can also do what I was doing, which is a few spirals here and there, because I love spirals. Because I can. I used to do this a lot, and it's always a fun process for me. I kind of don't mind the idea of letting things go over the edge, and they're pretty well over the edge. I've got an edge myself that's looking a little naked, and I'm going to go ahead and scrape the rest of my Skridlins. Friend of mine, that's Rosie's word. Not that Rose ever watches my videos, but she might someday, you never know. Ms. Weymouth. I don't like seeing that canvas there, so I'm going to give myself a chance to use the paint that's left on the spatula to change it to the point where it doesn't look like it's straight. The question is, do you love that paint so much like I do that you just have to have a little more of it? And where are you going to put it if you're going to do that? I kind of want some at this end. Oh, I got a naked spot. But otherwise, I'm pretty good. I really love that color, I gotta say. It's an Art Minds color. It's very similar to the Folk Art Neon, except for it has shimmer and iridescent in it. I'm not solidly sure that I didn't add some of that, which would be a golden product called Pearl, Fine Pearl, if it was that. Alright, so I'm completely covered. I got 3 minutes left. That didn't take very long. I got a big yellow zigzag. Do I want any more yellow to sort of draw the eye anywhere else? Do I? I might. You can put whatever you want in. Nobody made any rule that said you couldn't. No, I don't want to leave that there without blending it a little bit. And the same for this one. You can certainly waggle. I like it. I think it's working for me. I want a torch again. That's got a lot of colors in there. I like this part that goes over the end too. That's pretty cool. Alright, so this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio saying, please give me a thumbs up. It helps the YouTube algorithm, which in turn helps my video get seen by more people, and more people seeing my video gives me an opportunity to maybe make a living and keep making videos. And if you want me to keep making videos and you want to help me out, watch some more videos, or give me a thumbs up, or both of those things would be awesome. I do sell my artwork. I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill. You can contact me for both of those things through YouTube communication, and I'll get right back to you as soon as I can, and I'll give you an email address, and we'll have a chat on the phone when the time is right. What else? I have Pinterest and Instagram, and I have links to Facebook albums of wet and dry artworks on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors Facebook page. But you may have to join the group in order to see those. No big deal. Nothing's really required other than that you answer the question that you know it's a group that's about that. Yeah, I'm throwing a few spirals in here and there, and it's not hurting my feelings to do that either. So, this is a cool piece, and it will also be for sale. I love you guys. There's over 60,000 of you subscribed. And I hope I'm around for a while longer. Things are going a little slow while everybody's outside enjoying the weather. But this fluid acrylics painting obsession is just still that, and a great obsession. Everybody gets to be creative. So you guys have a ball, and I will see you sometime in the future in another video. If there's any question I can answer you, I'll be happy to. If you, I wanted to say thank you for all the contributions that have kept me painting in the past while I still diddle with this. Yes, I'm going to spiral it out. And and if you want to get in this month's contest and you contribute through PayPal or Patreon, the link is below the video. And there's another one on the YouTube channel header. And I always give away painting. I haven't announced the date yet, but I will. And when you make a contribution, I will send you a receipt of that. It tells you that I will give you notification when the contest is on. I've just been kind of busy. So that all looks pretty cohesive to me, and I like it, although I keep adding things. And we're done. And I love you guys. So I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Oh, check out the end screens. There's about 600 videos there. That's a great place to help me out if you want to watch more videos. I love you guys. Bye now.